Prevent hard water stains and mildew from returning in the shower by creating a simple post-shower routine that removes moisture and mineral residues before they set. Start by using a soft rubber squeegee to clear water from glass, tile, and fixtures after every shower, pulling water down toward the drain in long overlapping strokes to reduce droplets that leave mineral rings. Follow with immediate ventilation by running the exhaust fan for at least 20 minutes, or opening a window to drop relative humidity below the threshold where mildew thrives, which slows mold spores from germinating. Once a week, spray a 50-50 solution of white vinegar and warm water onto glass and tile, let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to dissolve mineral deposits, then wipe with a microfiber cloth. Vinegar is acidic enough to break down calcium buildup without harsh chemicals. For porous grout, apply the vinegar with a soft brush and rinse thoroughly, then dry with a towel to prevent trapped moisture. If you have soap scum, use a baking soda paste on stubborn spots before rinsing and follow with the vinegar spray to fizz away residue. Always rinse well so the two cleaners do not sit together extensively. For consistent results, keep spare squeegees and microfiber cloths near the shower and replace microfiber every few weeks or launder them to avoid redepositing oils and soils. The most common mistakes are skipping immediate drying, which lets minerals and spores set, using abrasive tools that damage glazing and grout, and relying on disinfectant cleaners without addressing moisture control. If you skip drying, start a simple habit of squeegeeing and opening ventilation so water does not linger. If you use steel wool or harsh scrubbing pads, switch to non-abrasive brushes and microfiber to protect surfaces and maintain sealants. If you only spray cleaners occasionally without improving airflow, add a routine of running the fan or opening a window after every shower, and use the weekly vinegar wipe to remove buildup before it hardens. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find new work by listing projects and profiles that match needs and skills. We also host a discussion community where our members share tips, ask questions, and report local experiences so everyone learns practical maintenance strategies like these.